Louisiana. I'm here with Kevin and Mark, fishing in the Solomon Island, and I want you guys to come over and fish with me. Yeah.
The guy joined us today, Harold. Yeah, we just picked him up. We don't know if we're bringing him back yet, but we picked him up. Harold, what do you reckon? What can you tell me about this place?
Okay, you see this drop off, just down there where the rock is. This drops down from the edges, it drops down about 200 meters. And if you see it on the island there, it's called Mushroom Island. And that's on the other side of the point. It drops down about 500 meters, just on a...
Awesome. What sort of fish do you find along here?
Oh, you get coral trout, and sometimes you get on a dip, it's dogtooth tuna.
Oh.
And GT also, and Spanish mackerel just run on the side here. You can see, if you get the camera, you can see it's deep, drops down here on the edges.
Yeah. Would you get marlin along here too?
Yes, not too far from the reef. You can get marlin about 200 meters. They're jumping like billfish and stuff. You can see them down there.
Beautiful, beautiful.
That's visually right.
Beautiful place in the Western Province.
Yeah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. We'll actually come and have lunch and stuff. It's just a beautiful sheer wall. Let me just zoom in on that. Just a sheer wall dropping into a white, sort of very shallow sandy area.
People from Saikile, this village, further down here, their great-grandfather, they put the skulls up here. If you see this wall here, and see this thing here, that's where they put the skulls. And if I take a model really close, maybe we can see, we can spot it, some of the
look
skulls
at the cave.
up here. And you know, you can see a skull there.
On the ledge.
I can see the skulls on the rock. I'm zooming in now.
Yep.
Unreal. What an amazing place. And we're down the bottom of Roviana Lagoon, is that correct?
Exactly.
Hey Harold, can we snorkel into that little cave there?
No.
It looks like it'd be very beautiful.
No,
Why?
What's in there?
What?
It's like...
Oh no!
Like maybe crocodile, and there's no snorkel.
Oh, so
Exactly, try to check out all the entrance of the island, try to catch jetty.
good stuff.
After that, we go to the river.
Right, we're coming up to Doke Island. Apparently there's a hidden lagoon inside this island, so we're actually shooting up to see another river that's got a waterfall, but we've decided what we're going to do is drive the boat into this lagoon, have a quick look, take some video and then nick off up to this waterfall lagoon where there's some spot-tail bass. It's nearly 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're going to be really quick when we do this, because we've got a fair track up to get up to this waterfall, which is supposed to be beautiful. Actually, we've just been told when you troll along this edge here, there's wahoo, dogtooth, drops off to... How far does it drop off to? Drop off to what? Drops off to 200 metres on that edge. Here we go, we're going inside the island now. It's hard to believe that we're in 200, 300 metres of water and we're just sitting off the bank here. It's completely protected in all directions. This is probably as rough as it'll get. Here we go, going inside the island now. Secret lagoon, there's actually a tunnel that goes through the
me like friend.